Yo, what is going on, guys? Game, we're back for another video, and today we're gonna be doing a video on how to make Young Thug type beat. You know what I'm saying? Something that you would hear on his Slime Language album. Now, personally, I thought the album was horrible. I only liked one song on it, and it was like, I forgot what it was called. It was like a song with Gunna, and I think it was called Chains Choking Me or something like that. Something like that. But like, yeah, the rest of the songs were garbage. I thought Young Thug could have done way better. You could agree with me, you could disagree with me, you could hate me, I don't really care. But that's just my opinion. Didn't really like it at all. So I'm gonna make a beat to it. You know what I'm saying? Trying to prove it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Comment on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, subscribe. I'm not gonna start the video until you subscribe. Okay? Subscribe to the channel. Alright? 55% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So you need to subscribe if you aren't already. Alright? And turn on post notifications too. But yeah, let's get into this video, man. I'm gonna see it on my computer and peace. Alright, y'all, we're back on my computer for this Young Thug type beat. And I don't even care. I was deprived of Omnisphere in my last video, so I'm gonna use Omnisphere. So I'm gonna just go ahead and look for a sound. And we're gonna get a melody going, and yeah, man, that's about it.
$2,000 years later.
Alright, so I got a melody for this beat, finally. Sounds pretty nice and dark, so I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like right about now. But yeah, that's what I got so far for the melody. Sounds pretty nice, I think. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the drums. I might come back and add something to the melody, but for now I think it sounds nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, add a hi-hat like I always do, and continue. So let's get into this. Okay, the hi-hat pattern is done. Added some rolls as usual, some cutouts and all that. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add the snare after, but right now I'm gonna show you guys what the hi-hat sound like. So here's what it is. Yeah, that's what it sounds like so far. But now we're gonna go ahead, add a clap, add a snare, and yeah, let's do it, man. Let's freaking do it. bring all these down and I'll let it be. Alright, where's the kick now? We need to add the kick real quick before my battery dies on my camera. And yeah, man, let's get it. I'm gonna make this beat real quickly. Alright. Alright y'all, so my camera died, but the beat is mixed and it's done. And I think I might send this to Thugger, cause it's pretty dope. So I mean, one of my beats never dope, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm gonna go play it for y'all, and here's what it sounds like. But yeah, there's my beat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the beat. Hope you enjoyed my presence. But if you did like the video, make sure you like. Don't forget to leave comments, share the video, you know, all that stuff. But don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I know you're not subscribed right now, so subscribe to the channel right now, or I'm gonna be offended. All right. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out of here. Peace.